Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Krisp on your computer and sign in with an email. Once done, grant microphone and speaker permissions so Krisp can access audio. This is critical for live noise cancellation. Next, open System Sound Settings and choose Krisp as the input and output device, making it the default for calls. Make sure your headset is connected and selected. Now you have the foundation. Krisp is positioned between your apps and the hardware, ready to filter audio. Now configure Krisp for real-world use. Open the app and pick the noise cancellation strength, low for subtle, high for loud environments, so your voice remains natural. Then enable secondary filters like remove background voice and room echo when necessary, because each layer targets different noise types. Once configured, run a test call or record a short clip to listen for artifacts. Make adjustments to balance clarity versus natural tone. If you use conferencing apps, set Krisp and finish by integrating Krisp with your daily apps. Open Zoom, Teams, or Slack and select Krisp as microphone and speaker so noise cancellation runs automatically. Once integrated, monitor CPU usage and latency. Enable light mode if your machine struggles, because that reduces processing without turning features off. If sound is missing or you hear double audio, restart the conferencing app, reselect Krisp as the device, and confirm system sound settings. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Krisp off and on in both the app and system sound panel to reset the audio path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.